And welcome back. The Reggae Boyz are now in Turkey as they prepare for next Tuesday's friendly against South Korea. With a largely local-based contingent selected for the games, the players will be looking to impress clubs and coaches. Goalkeeper AMAL Knight has been on tour before, but is yet to stand between the sticks for the national senior team. He could again occupy a spot on the timber, but notes it would be a welcome one to cross the white line for the Reggae Boyz.
I'm happy for the call-up, didn't expect it, so you know, God works in mysterious ways, and I'm really happy for it. If I get on the pitch, I'll be thankful for that to get my first cap. That's every player's dream to represent their country, and hopefully I can get that cap.
And although he wasn't eyeing the call-up, Knight says it's a testament to being rewarded for a good season.
That's what Jamaica has been asking for, and the coach has been granting a lot of players the opportunity to represent their countries. So I think it's a good opportunity for the local players, and hopefully we can go there and execute as best as possible.
Chevron Messi Marsh has one cap for Jamaica, but knows what a good performance against South Korea can do for him.
For me personally, it's really a big game because we're going up against a great competitor, a team that are actually in the World Cup in this 2018 competition in Russia. And for me, as I indicated before, it's a tremendous feeling, and I'm just hoping for the best. Once the opportunity been given, you know, I'm gonna execute and do my ultimate best, because you know I'm representing myself, my family, my country, and I just want to make myself proud.
So there is Messi Marsh, and then there is Malik Messi Foster. That's two Messis in one team.
Well, it's just a little name. It's just name.
Foster currently plays for Portmore United, but it's an overseas contract that he's eyeing.
I'm looking forward to do great things. Hopefully I can go out there and just give it my all. Wouldn't mind I go out there and score and see what offer I can get.
Boys Town are looking for all the help they can get in their relegation fight, but midfielder JAMIEL Hardware is looking for a flight to an overseas contract.
Yeah, this is a great opportunity for me. It's just now for me to go there and execute, and hopefully I can get a contract out there.
Before playing South Korea, the Reggae Boyz will play club team CS Gas Metan Medias on Saturday.